Just got to our hostel in Ljubljana, Slovenia. We're pretty much the only ones here, so we were able to check in at like 10 a.m. So I left my universal adapter in the hostel last night and forgot it. And I just had a mini heart attack that I left my charger on the train, but I realized Megan just used it to charge. So, 1 out of 2, not bad. We're just trying to figure out how to get to Lake Bled, which is about an hour bus ride away, so we're gonna go to the train station now and figure that out, spend the day there, and then probably come back here to sleep, and then leave for Vienna in the morning.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
We just got to Bled.
It's known for having a little castle in the middle of the lake, so we're gonna go explore.
It's a lot smaller than we were expecting, so I think we can do it pretty quickly, which is nice because we were worried we wouldn't have time.
And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
Hard to tell, but this is an island in the middle of the lake.
Restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy on our tiptoes.
Walked around the lake pretty quickly, so now we're just figuring out stuff to do. We stopped at a little touristy, I don't know, what was it called?
I don't know, like a TripAdvisor?
Like a TripAdvisor kind of thing. And the guy seemed very over this town. He told us there's not really much to do, and that he was leaving in an hour and we can go back to the main town with him. So we might do that, but we're kind of just exploring for now, seeing if we can keep ourselves entertained. Always good to see a new place. Feels like we're really in the middle of nowhere now, just in a little farm town in Slovenia. It smells so strongly of cow manure, but look how cool this view is.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy on our tiptoes.
We made it to the Vintgard Gorge, the whole reason we did this walk. And here it is in all its glory.
The water's gonna be so fast.
Yeah. I think it was about a 3-kilometer walk, and so we just have to make our way back to Bled after this. But at the end of all of this, there's a little restaurant. This is what a restaurant's fridge in Slovenia looks like. Just a bucket of live fish sitting in the stream. Megan is paying with coins. As many as she possibly can, like paying with pennies. Just because she can't hold them in her little purse.
These are way too many coins. I know it's only coins from all these little bills.
We're getting soup on the train.